Hi, welcome back to Cool Tech Battle Life. Now, if you're looking to purchase a 3D printer, I just want to raise three important questions that you need to ask to make sure you're buying a 3D printer that really suits your needs. Now, the image shown is the Comgo Creality Endor 3 3D printer, but there are many printers available on the market. And before making your purchase, I just want to discuss three important questions. So, number one is, does it include a removable bed? Now, a removable bed makes it much easier to take your 3D printed item off the 3D printer. This normally comes with more expensive 3D printers. So if you have a large item that you're printing, you need to make sure that you're able to remove it from the printer easily. And a removable bed also makes it easier to clean. So it really depends on what experience you have. If you're looking to learn and looking to practice how to use 3D printing, this may not be really practical to you, but if you want it for ease of use, you may want to just check that it has a removable bed or some other surface that you can use to print on top of that allows you to easily remove your item from the printer. Number two is, does the 3D printer support multicolour? Most cheaper and lower quality versions of many 3D printers only allow for one single colour, and that's very common in terms of 3D printers. So you really need to decide what items you're going to print and what applications you're going to need them for. If you're going to use them for multicolour purposes and you're using specifically designed items that you need them in multicolour, you may need to choose a more expensive 3D printer. But if you're just using for a single colour, then even most basic 3D printers will allow you to use just one colour. Now, number three is it loud? So some 3D printers can be quite loud, and they can produce not only a lot of noise but also a lot of heat. So you just need to check that the 3D printer is really practical and look at the reviews to make sure it's easy to use. So spend some time looking at the reviews, asking questions, and also necessarily contact the seller and the manufacturer, because if you're working or if you live in a shared house, you need to make sure that it's not too loud, it's not going to disrupt other people. So if it's nice and quiet and it comes inside a case, that may allow you to use it all times of the day without disrupting other people. So just to clarify, the three questions you really need to check is, does it have a removable bed? Can you use multicolour? And is it loud? And how practical is it for you to use? So before making your purchase of a 3D printer, just ask these three really important questions. So I hope this helps, and if you have any comments or questions, please leave them in the comments below and we'll get back to you straight away.